Here's a short video on making a part and then putting a component together so that you can learn how to do that. I've made a little part and I'm just going to finish that sketch now. Sketch and then finish sketch. Swing it into 3D, pick the surface that you want to do a press pull on, go press pull, or you can go modify, create your, up from here, create, modify, press pull, and we want it to be 9 because we're going to do it out of this 9mm plywood, so we just click OK and we've got our first piece. Next we're going to go create new component, and we're going to click on OK here. Then I've gone create a new sketch, and I'll just show you a nifty little constraint and the power of constraints. So if we click on the constraint button, I've dimensioned this one. So if I click on this one now and this one, it will make them, it'll make it both equal. Okay, so this is the all the different constraints, and so if I go equal and I click this one to this one, it should make them equal. Okay, you saw there was a mistake there, so let's go backwards. We'll make that 200. Now I'll click on the constraint one, and this one's not the same as that one. I'd already constrained it before I showed you. So if I click on this one now and then click on that one, it will physically change the shape of the drawing, and I've constrained that thing all up to be how I need it. So I'm going to put my slot in. This time I'm going to put the slot in the bottom. Finish the sketch on that one. Do a press pull on it, and we'll make it go 9mm again because it's going to be a slot down in here. Now comes the fun part where we can assemble this thing. So we're just going to zoom in here a bit, and we're going to click assemble, and we're going to go by joint. And it's a little bit tricky. You've got to make sure you select a corner or an edge. So I'm going to select that edge there, and then I'm going to have to pan back over here and find the corresponding edge. Now I'm not going to find it easily there, so I'm going to just swing this around a bit. So there I can see that edge that I want now, okay? And then I'm going to come in here and I'm going to pick it, and then it's going to move my piece into position. And then if I zoom out there, I've got my my chair base put together, and it's all assembled. Okay, so assembly is not too hard. You've just got to pick the right areas, and you've got to make sure you work with components well, and then you can assemble things.